up and down the road. Now, those roads were dirt roads. But just like, you know, staying ahead of the sound barrier, we stayed ahead of the dust barrier. And so there was a tremendous plume of dust behind that Rambler, but we were like this far ahead of it. And of course, you had to keep accelerating to be able to keep ahead of it. That was the thing. I think it was probably pretty dangerous in retrospect, thinking back. Well, anyway, this skit is dedicated to John Kohler and, for his Cadillac, and Paul Kohler for having a Nation Anthem.
I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to start.